One of the favorite things I like about the software Revit is that it's more than parametric. Hi, this is Brandon, and I am with Motionform, a channel for architecture and innovation and design, and I'm talking about the benefits of Revit 2020, Revit 2019, whichever Revit you're using, or if you're just thinking about Revit. Here's some great reasons that you might think about joining the Revit cult and figuring out how to make your projects in Revit. Number one, Revit is parametric. Though Revit, for most people, is not going to be doing like a crazy wavy shape, that doesn't mean it doesn't have these incredible functionalities. I think that you can do incredible big things, incredible small things, and that's one of the reasons why I'm glad that I use it, and I use it in the firm that I work with. Another reason is that Revit definitely helps you in the small scale just as the big scale. When I was first considering Revit, I was wondering, could you do very simple things with it? Because like I could see a big building, I think I've seen that a few times, but actually you can. That there's using elements where you can just draw and do diagrams, just as well as there's elements where you could make entire big buildings and big sets. The third thing that I'm really just been blown away about by Revit is that Revit does allow you to just export incredible renders and visuals. The idea is that's one of the things that architects really have mastered over the time, and having CAD, there's like this generation of where you losing the line weight and everything, but Revit lets you get to really detail out visuals that you want to show people. Though, of course, when you're looking at different types of renderings, you might go outside, but in terms of getting really beautiful drawings, I think there is that capability in a large extent in Revit. Number four is Revit is an exceptional and complex team software and collaboration vehicle. You can be working with multiple people on a project, including consultants, and that at first was something new to me, but at the same time, having us all focus on the same problems and being able to cross-reference work makes us more effective, and I think it helps architects increase their productivity. And final, the reason why I think Revit is really a software to go with is that Revit has helped me do some of the great works that I've been working on of late. And the thing is, I see a lot of firms are interested in it. I didn't know exactly that would be a skill I would do. I used AutoCAD and SketchUp for like years, but I'm looking at Revit and saying that I'm not limited because I'll push myself, but also, seeing other people doing great things just helps the environment. So if you're thinking about Revit, if you're trying to learn some skills, I actually have a course that I'm putting in the description. But in general, it's a wonderful program, and the idea as architects, we're not tied to one particular program, so the idea of trying it is at least a recommendation. So increasing your skill level, increasing your ability to do the work you love, and also being able to communicate with others, work with others, and achieve great results is one reason why I would recommend Revit. Again, this is Brennan with Motionform. We're going to have some more content closer to the end of the year as I've been taking my exams. But if you love architecture, design, and innovation in this channel, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me.